Hi class 9 and 10 students, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question number 12, 7.4, equations of straight lines, class 9 optional maths. One of my YouTube subscriber comments to solve that arithmetic, household arithmetic, okay, page 78, 79 and 80. Dear, what I want to tell you that check the playlist. I have already solved page number 80. You don't check this playlist, then how can you get that solution? Okay, check it. Now I will start the solution. The question is here: if P and Q are the 2 points on the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and are at a distance of 5 units from the origin, find the area of triangle POQ. So here given equation, okay, given equation of line is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now suppose I can write it like this: x minus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, but to make this plus, what I will do? I will take minus common, so I will change this sign. This is plus x, so this will be minus x. This is minus y, so it will be what? Plus y, and this is minus 1, so it will be plus 1. Okay, this is the sequence. Now dividing both sides. One thing I want to do, okay, figure for you. Suppose, how can we draw this figure? Okay, this is our x, this is our y. If we put here, I will draw for you here. This is my rough. Suppose if here x is equal to 0, okay, put x is equal to 0, okay, put x is equal to 0, then y will be how much? If x is equal to 0, then y will be 1. And put y is equal to 0. If we put y is equal to 0, x will be how much? Minus x will be 1. That means x will be minus, x will be here, minus x will be how much? If y is equal to 0, minus x will be 1. That means this implies what? X is equal to minus 1. So the point of coordinate is here about 1. This implies what? X comma, this is, sorry, 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1, and this implies what? So x is here 1, sorry, minus 1 comma 0. So this point lies where? This is 0 1, so suppose this is our 0, okay, origin, and 1 point I will take a unit 1. So 0 1, this is our point A, and B, this is our B point. This is minus 1 means here 1 unit is here, and 0 means it is in this quadrant. Okay, so this is our B. So when I draw this line here, this our point will be how much? 0 1, and this B point will be how much? Minus 1 comma 0. Okay, and the question tells what? This is our this line. Okay, this given line, this is our given line, either this or this, all are same. Okay, this is the line. I can write here like this also. Okay, this line name, and see that if P and Q are 2 points on the line, so this line, if P and Q points are, okay, on this line, so in line means suppose P is our here is our P point, and this is our Q point. Okay, this is our Q point. Got it? 2 points. Okay, if P and Q are 2 points on the line this, and are at a distance of 5 units from the origin. So this is the origin. So from this origin, if I join this line, okay, this is what distance? 5 distance. And if I join this point, okay, I have to write a small. If I join, this is what? This point. So this point I will write here clearly here, A. Okay, this is our A. How much? 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. Okay, here I will write like this. Okay, A 0 comma 1. Okay, this is our y-axis, and this is 5 units. This is origin O. Origin means 0 comma 0 origin. Okay, and the distance between this, they are given what? P and Q are at a distance of 5 units from the origin. From this origin 5 units. That means this is 5 units from here OQ, and this is OP also 5 unit. Okay, this is the distance, and now we have to find the area of triangle POQ. POQ, we have to find the area of this triangle, okay. So how can we find the area of this triangle? So area, this is our this is okay. We have to find the what? Perpendicular distance from here to here, perpendicular, okay. So if both are, this is called what? Isosceles triangle. That means in isosceles triangle, okay, perpendicular will be just between this P and Q. Suppose this is our this, okay, the midpoint will be what? Perpendicular from this origin, okay. This will be perpendicular to this. So we have to find this. Then there is the logic. What we will do now, we will divide, okay, we will find this distance. So there is one equation dividing both side by, okay, here is our root under, okay. Root under means coefficient of this x is what? -1. So -1 square plus coefficient of y is +1 square. So here -1 square is 1 and +1 square 1. So this is √2. We have to divide this, okay, dividing both sides by √2. That means this is our -x by √2 plus y by √2 is equal to 1 by √2. Now we can dividing, okay, this now we can write here this dividing, okay, correct, x by √2. Now minus x is there. So what we can do here, this is 1 by √2, okay. 1 by √2 is the value of 45 degree. 1 by √2 is the value of what? Cos 45 degree. But this is minus. This is minus 45 degree. So minus 45 degree. So see the cast tool, CAST, cast tools. Cast tools tells that, okay, minus 45 degree will be in which quadrant? Here this is, I need what? Minus 45 degree, okay. This is minus 45 degree. So this can be, minus will be where? Here all is positive. Here sine. Here sine and cosec is only positive. That means cos is negative. So we can take the value here. 45 means what? We can write this value as cos 180 and minus this 45 degree, okay. This means it will be minus 45 degree. So this is cos 45 degree. This is cos 180 minus 45, cos 135 degree. Then we can write to this here x cos 135 degree plus, and now 1 by √2. So sine value, this is, see there, suppose this is our plus 1 by √2. So cos sine, okay, sine 45 degree, sine 45 degree. So sine 45 degree, suppose if I take this value in the second quadrant, this can be written as what? Sine 180 degree minus this 45 degree, same. This value is what? Same. That means this is sine 135 degree, okay. Here in the second quadrant, 180 means second quadrant, minus 45 means it is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cos is positive. That's why sine 45 degree or sine 135 degree. है, यसको दुईटोको भ्यालु sin 45 डिग्री को र sin 135 डिग्री को भ्यालु सेमै हुन्छ, प्लसै हुन्छ। त्यही भएर हामीले यसको ठाउँमा y and here we can add here sin 135 degree is equal to 1 by √2. Okay. Now this is of the form, okay. Now comparing, this is, okay, this is comparing with here, compare the equation with, this is rough, okay. Compare the equation with what? Equation with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So when we equate this x, then what we will get? P is equal to what we get here? P value. This is p perpendicular value. So this perpendicular value, this is the value, okay? This is, suppose this is our OPQ. Suppose I will suppose this name as OP, I will suppose it at R, okay? R. Then OR, okay? OR. Then this means our perpendicular uh, comparing, okay? Not compare with, comparing with. Okay, here I write comparing with, comparing okay, comparing with this, we get P is equal to how much? P is equal to 1 by root 2. Or this P, this is the P, okay, this is our P. Perpendicular distance from this, okay, here to this line. To this line, okay, from the origin. Or we can write this OR is equal to what? Oh my god, same name I have given, okay. Or, okay, I will change this name for yours. I will name it as G. Okay, G. So this is OG. OG, or there is, what is it? AB. Okay, I will name it as OG or OC. Okay, not a problem. OG is equal to what? This is OG, or OG is equal to P only. So that means 1 by root 2. Okay. A. This is our A, B. Okay, C or G. OG is equal to this much. I got here P value, OG value. Now see there in the triangle. In triangle, in triangle, in right angle triangle, okay, in right angle triangle, OGP, 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 OGP. This triangle is called this triangle, okay, because in isosceles triangle this is perpendicular. This is the midpoint, okay. Here GP is equal to GQ, so this will be what? Congruent triangle. Yes, why? Because this is 5, this is 5, this is half, this is also same half. The remaining is common side, okay. That means we can write here in right angle triangle OGP, OGP. This is our hypotenuse. Then we can find GP. GP is equal to, this is GP is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. Root under this 5 square minus 5 square minus of this P square. P is how much? 1 by root 2. Okay, this is by hypotenuse formula. This is 90 degree, this is H hypotenuse. H is equal to 5, and this is perpendicular. You can think this is base, okay. Anything, I will suppose this is P perpendicular, okay. This is our 1 by root 2. Then we have formula, this is base, suppose this is base, then B is equal to what? Root under H square minus P square, okay. So this same formula we have applied here. Now solving, this is 5 5 are 25 minus 1 by root 2 square, there is, so 1 square is 1, and root 2 square is 2. Then this can be written as here 25. This implies, okay, this implies here GP is equal to 25, this 2 is here 2, LCM 25 to the 50 minus 1, this is equal to how much? Root under 49 by 2. So 49, so 7 will be out and the root 2 will be inside, okay. So we got GP is equal to 7 by root 2. GP we got. Now GP we got, now we can find the base, okay. Now PQ is equal to how much? This is PQ. PQ is equal to, this PQ is equal to what? Just 2GP. 2GP, because this is the midpoint of this, okay, base. Because this is the isosceles triangle 5 5. So from this, if it the line perpendicular is drawn to the base, then this will bisect this line. That means 2GP is equal to how much? 2 into 7 by root 2. Okay, 2GP this much. Now we can find now area of the triangle. area of triangle POQ. POQ, this triangle, okay, area of triangle POQ is equal to what? Half base into height. Half base is height. What is our base? In this triangle, this is our base. PQ is our base into height. Our height is, this is the height of this triangle OG. OG is there, yes, OG. Now put the value half into PQ. PQ value is how much? 2 into 7 by root 2 into OG. OG value is how much here? OG value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So I can see here this 2 cancel. This is now here 7 1 is 7 by root 2 into root 2. That means this is here 7 by 2 is 3.5. 3.5, and there is not given, okay, any units, so we can write here square units because this is the area, so we can write here square unit. This is our solution, this is our rough, okay, for you all. Answer in the book is given 3.5 square unit. So dear students, this is the concept in this question. Okay, can you see clearly anything? All in this same frame, okay, you can see everything clearly. Given equation of line is, okay, everything is seen. Dear subscriber and viewers, okay, sometimes you don't check the playlist and you go on commenting, sir, this number, that number. Dear, that most of the number is solved. You can check the playlist, go and check the playlist. I have created playlist according to exercise name. Yes, if you see the playlist, you will see exercise name and topic name, and then you can get most of the solution. अब एकजना सब्सक्राइबरले पेज नम्बर 78 79 र 80 भन्नुभएको छ कमेन्टमा। अब मैले त गरिसकेको छ 80 पेजको। अब 79 को है गर्नु, अब यो सुरु गरेको छ, फेरि मेट्नुपर्छ है र धेरै स्पेस चाहिन्छ यसमा हैन। त्यही भएर यसलाई सुरु गरेको छ, यसलाई खत्म गर्न कोसिस गर्दैछु क्या। सबैतिर चारैतिर लाग्यो भने हुँदैन क्या। एउटा कुनै राम्ररी सल्भ गरिदिन्छु डिफिकल्ट क्वेसनहरू, त्यसपछि छुटे फुटेकोहरूलाई गर्दै गर्नुहोस् कमेन्ट, पुरा हुँदै जान्छ। र जुन जुन सल्भ गर्दैछु त्यसलाई है प्र्याक्टिस गर्ने गर्नुहोस्। जरुरी छैन कि तपाईँ त्यो च्याप्टर हुनुहुन्छ भने त्यही गर्नुपर्छ। जुन क्वेसन यहाँ सल्भ गर्दैछु त्यसलाई कन्सेप्ट बुझ्नुहोस्, गर्नुहोस् र योसँग रिलेटेड क्वेसनहरू सल्भ गर्नुहोस् है, पुरै कन्सेप्ट दूर हुन्छ। अब यो क्वेसनमा के भनेको छ, इफ पी एन्ड क्यू आर द 2 पोइन्ट्स अन द लाइन x माइनस वाई प्लस 1 इक्वल 0। अब यो लाइन छ है तपाईको, यो एउटा लाइन छ है, कुनै लाइन छ यो है। र यो लाइन कसरी थाहा पाउनु त? अब यसलाई तपाईले हैन यहाँ यसलाई हैन यसलाई सल्भ गर्नुहोस् यसरी है। पुट x इक्वल 0 हाल्नुस्। x 0 हाल्नु भयो भने y को भ्यालु आउँछ तपाईको 1 र y 0 हाल्नु भयो भने x को भ्यालु आउँछ -1 है। त यसबाट एउटा कोअर्डिनेट आयो 0 1 र यसबाट आयो -1, 0। त यो पोइन्ट यहाँ आउँछ 0, 1 यहाँ छ र 0, -1 यहाँ आउँछ। यो दुवै जना लाइनलाई जोड्नुहुन्छ नि त हाम्रो यो लाइन हुन जान्छ है, यो ए र बी को। र यसै माथि p र q छ। तपाई q यहाँ मान्नुस् या यहाँ मान्नुस् एउटै कुरो है, त्यो पोइन्ट देखि फरक पर्दैन। बस ध्यान दिनुपर्छ के कि यसको डिस्टेन्स ओरिजिनबाट के छ OP र OQ 5 5 लेखिदिनुस्। अब हाम्रो मेन उद्देश्य के हो कि यो इक्वेसन को यस्तो फर्ममा लानुस् है, परपेन्डिकुलर फर्ममा है। x cos अल्फा प्लस y sin अल्फा इक्वल p को फर्ममा लानुस् र यही हाम्रो डिस्टेन्स आइहाल्छ यसकोबाट, यो फर्मुलाबाट यो p आइहाल्छ। र यो डिस्टेन्स आइसक्यो अनि अब तपाईलाई थाहा छ कि यो आइसोसेल्स ट्रायंगल हो र आइसोसेल्स ट्रायंगलमा कुनै है यो भर्टेक्सबाट यदि है तल लाइनमा यदि हैन यो फिगरलाई यसरी पनि बुझ्नुस् है सिधा गएर। अब तपाईको एउटा आइसोसेल्स ट्रायंगल छ, यो 5 हो, यो पनि 5 हो है। नाम तपाईको यहाँ O, मेरो O कहाँ छ, यो O यहाँ छ र यो तपाईको के छ P र Q छ यता PQ, त मलाई PQ यता मानिदिन्छु, P र Q 5 5 cm छ। अब तपाईको यो जुन छ नि O बाट यसमा तलको है PQ मा परपेन्डिकुलर तान्नुस्। यदि यो आइसोसेल्स ट्रायंगल छ भने यो परपेन्डिकुलर नि तपाईको यसलाई र यसलाई बाइसेक्ट गरिदिन्छ है। यहाँ मैले G नाम राखिदिएको छ, यो G हो मेरो। अब हामीलाई यो P निस्किहालेको छ, P को भ्यालु कति छ 1/√2 हो, यो 1/√2 हो। यो निस्किहाल्यो बेस निकाल्यो भने हामीले मजाले यो पिओक्यू को एरिया निकाल्न सक्छौँ। यसको लागि हामीले के गरेको छ, अब हामीलाई यो थाहा भइसकेको छ, यो 5 थाहा छ भने यो निकाल्न सक्छौँ, यो या यो हाइपोटेन्युस फर्मुलाबाट है। यो मानौँ कि यो यताबाट लिनुभयो भने यो 90 डिग्री हो, यो भयो हाइपोटेन्युस अनि यो भ्यालु तपाईँको परपेन्डिकुलर भ्यालु। त यो तपाईँको बेस निस्किन्छ। त यसको भ्यालु यहाँबाट निकालेको छ, पी के छ जीपी, ल जीपी छ यहाँ, जीपी या पीजी कति आयो 7/√2 आयो। अनि यो आइसकेपछि तपाईँ पीक्यू निकाल्नुहोस् त, पीक्यू के हो, यसको डबल हो। त यहाँ पीक्यू यसको डबल 2GP यति आउँछ। अब यो बेस आयो, यो हाइट थाहा छ भने एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल के लेखिदिने, हाफ बेस इन्टु हाइट, हाफ पीक्यू भनेको हाम्रो बेस र ओजी भनेको हाइट, भ्यालु हालिदिनुहोस् है, हाम्रो एन्सर आउँछ। क्वेसन अलिकति है गाह्रो है, के गाह्रो भन्नु, प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुहुन्छ सबै सजिलै हुन्छ, प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुहोस्। र मैले एउटा कुरा है यही भिडियोमा भनौँ कि छुट्टै भिडियोमा भनौँ, म कुनै प्रडक्टहरू है अब किन्छु त्यसको रिभ्यू किन गर्छु भने, अब मान्नु कि त्यस्तो महँगो सामान मैले किनेर ठगिन्छु भने अरूजना पनि त्यही नठगियोस् भनेर म है त्यस्तो काम गर्ने गर्छु। अब मैले है अब छिमेकीको कुरा सुनेर त ल्याएँ प्रडक्ट, तर है विश्वास अहिले पनि लाग्दैन काम गर्छ भनेर है, तर गर्छ भने म तपाईँलाई दिन्छु। अब जस्तै कि यो मैले प्रडक्ट है, जस्तै कि अब यो मैले प्रडक्ट मगाएको थिएँ, तपाईँ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ यो प्रडक्ट हो, तपाईँ नकिन्नु होला है, 2टा पिस दिन्छ यस्तो है, यो 2टा पिस हुन्छ 800 कि 900मा दिन्छ अनलाइन है, यो नमगाउनुहोस्, यो वेस्ट अफ मनी छ है, केही काम गर्दैन है। यसको मैले रिभ्यू गरेको थिएँ र यो भिडियोमा अर्को म है फेरि सर्ट भिडियोमा बनाइदिन्छु कि यो युज नगर्नुहोस्, नकिन्नुहोस् है, पैसा वेस्ट हुन्छ, केही युज होइन। यो भाइब्रेसन गर्छ, त्यस्तो आराम पनि गर्दैन। मोड त धेरै छ यसमा, बीट मोड, मसाज मोड, एक्टिभेसन है, नीड के मोड दिएको छ, तर यो सबै पैसा ठग्ने मात्रै काम छ, 800 रुपियाँको पैसा खर्च हुन्छ है। ल नलिनु होला यो प्रडक्टहरू। र त्यो जुन मैले डिएक्सनको प्रडक्ट लिएको छ नि त्यसको पनि युज गर्छु, फाइदा भइरहेछ भने तपाईँलाई रिभ्यू दिन्छु। र तपाईँहरूले यदि युज अगाडि नै गरिसक्नु भएको छ भने मलाई कमेन्टमा है भन्नु होला कि त्यो डिएक्सनको है फ्रड कम्पनी हो, साँच्चै काम गर्छ या गर्दैन, के कस्तो छ, जिन्युन कम्पनी हो कि हो, मलाई कमेन्ट गर्नु होला है। अब युज गरेपछि थाहा हुन्छ नि त है। ल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियोज। राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण।